If you're looking for one of the best listings in the market right now in Sienna that has all of the best upgrades, all of the renovations done, and everything you want for a great price, get ready for this home.
Come on, let's go. Time to get to stepping out the door. Spread those wings, cause we wanna see more, do more, be more. Look a real cute, but we feeling hardcore. The journey awaits us.
Welcome to 8323 Talons Way. It's right beside Camp Sienna, and again, it's got everything on this huge lot. Beautiful pool, amazing spa, gigantic outdoor patio and kitchen. Man, you don't believe me? Go check it for yourself.
It's the journey, not the destination. Pick up, get up, we bouncing right now. Good times, our love is about to go down. Nights on, driving fast and not high. Beep, beep, hitting every green light. Come on, baby, hop inside. It's gonna be a long ride. Yeah, places to go, we got things to do. We got plenty to see, so we breezing through. They see how we move, we wanna try it out. It's adventure time, baby, yeah, we having a ball. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling brand new. Trying to live it up, go nuts, go cashews. No bad news, only positivity. Be young, be wild, be free. If you up for the trip, then I'm with it too. Take around the world, what we finna do?